Very good morning. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a mathematics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Students, today's topic is the transformation of matrix. Simple language, inverse of matrix. Inverse of matrix, that means we have to find out A inverse where A is any matrices. Now, for the inverse of matrices, we have the two types of the method: by adjoint method, by elementary operations. By elementary operations, syllabus, in syllabus, out syllabus. But for the exam point of view, objective basis के लिए हमको adjoint method पढ़ना बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है. Now, what is the mean of the A inverse? What is the standard formula of A inverse? A inverse will be equal. Let we consider capital A is a type of matrix. Let we consider capital A is any matrix, then A inverse will be equal of adjoint A by mod A. So now, what is the mean of the adjoint A? Adjoint A will be equal of adjoint A based on cofactor, based on the concept of cofactor. So we will start with the first topic. What is the mean of cofactor? Then after we discuss about the mod A, then put the value of the adjoint A and mod A, and finally we getting the result in the form of the A inverse. Now we taking the simple first topic, mode of matrix. Mode of matrix. Student, first topic is the mode of matrix. Let we consider, ठीक है, in the case of the mode of matrix we taking two types of the example, 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. Firstly, we take the examples in the simple way. 2 by 3, what is the order of matrix? Here order of matrix will be equal of 2 by 2. We have to find mode of matrix. Mode of matrix, that means mode A. What is the mean of the mode of matrix? That means find the value of matrix capital A. How we take? The simple signature, that means firstly 4 multiply by 1, 4 multiply by 1, then these element will be multiplied by these. We taking another form. Let we consider this is 1 1, then 1 2, then 2 1, then 2 2. So result will be equal of A 1 1 multiplied by A 2 2 and A21 multiplied by A12, and minus will be there. Now mode A will be equal of 4 into 1 minus 4 into 3. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 3 ja 12, plus minus will be equal of minus 8. That is, this is a first example to determine mode A for the 2 by 2 matrix. Now we taking the another example. In the student, now we taking the another example in the form of the 3 by 3. 3 by 3. A simple drawback between the mode, we need a matrix in the form of 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. That means in the order row and column will be same. That is the necessity condition for the mode. Now we taking the another example in the form of 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Firstly for mode we have to convert matrix in the form of the determinants. पिछले एग्जाम में हमने छोटी सी एक चीज ये छोड़ दी थी, ठीक है. नाउ matrix convert into the form of denominator. We decide row और column. हमको कुछ भी एक सिलेक्ट करना है, चाहे हम रो सिलेक्ट करें या हम कॉलम. Now we taking 1 2 3, 1 2 3, then positive, negative, positive. Just remember, take all elements of single row or single column. 1 2 3 1 2 3, positive, negative, positive. Now in the front of 1, front of 2, front of 3, that means 1. Where is the 1? 1, ठीक है, 1 जहाँ खड़ा उस रो और कॉलम को छोड़ देना है. कितना मिला मुझे? 2 1 1 3. बट इन द केस ऑफ 2, वेयर इज द 2? वेयर इज द 2? 3 1 2 3 3 1 2 3. बट इन द केस ऑफ द 3, that means a row and column will be element, then we getting 3 2 2 and 1. Finally 3 2 जा 6, 1 1 जा 1, 3 3 जा 9, 2 1 जा 2, 3 1 जा 3 and 2 2 जा 4. 6 minus 1 equal to 5, 9 minus 2 equal to 7 and minus 1. 5 minus 14 and minus 3, 5 minus 14 and 3 17 will be equal of minus 12. So ठीक है, फर्स्टली वी इंट्रोड्यूस मोड. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट मोड. ठीक है, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मेथड्स आर देयर फॉर द 2/2 एंड फॉर द 3/3. आई होप यू गेटिंग वेल. स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी टेकिंग द अनदर पार्ट टू डिटरमाइन द A inverse cofactor. हाउ वी कैलकुलेट द cofactor between the 2/2 matrix and 3/3 matrix. Let me consider a simple example. 4 3 2 1. How we calculate cofactor? That means cofactor of 4. Firstly, in rough we can write 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2. Student, cofactor of 4, then cofactor of 3, then cofactor of 2, then cofactor of 1. How we calculate? A simple formula, minus 1 whole power row plus column. That means a position of row, then position of column. Position of row, for the 4, row will be equal of 1 and column will be equal of 1, then 1 plus 1. Now take a 3 is here, that means minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2, minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1, and finally minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2. Now in the case of the 4, when we choose the 4, row and column will be, then we getting single number 1. But in the case of 3, here we choose 3, then we getting 2. But in the case of 2, we find 3, but in the case of the 1, we see 4. So minus 1 whole power 2, minus 1 whole power 2, that means a positive. So positive 1. Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2, that means a 3. 3 is a odd number, then we getting negative. Minus 1, 2 plus 1 also a odd number, then required answer in the negative form. Minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2, that means a 4. 4 is a even number, then answer will be positive 4. Both are the cofactors of the elements of matrices 2/2. Now we taking the another matrices in the form 3/3. 3/3, that means 2 3 4 2 5 1 1 2 6 and so on. We have to find the cofactors of the each and every element of matrices 3/3 in this question. Symbol 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 and 2 3 3 1 3 2 and 3 3. Now firstly we have to find out the cofactor of 2, then cofactor of 3, then cofactor of 4, then cofactor of again 2, cofactor of 5, cofactor of 1, then cofactor of next one, cofactor of 2, and finally cofactor of 6. In the case of cofactor of -2, taking the -1, in all cases -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, and again -1. Student, just focus on the position of 2, 2. What is the proper position of 2? 1, 1, 1, 1, that means 1 plus 1. Position of 3, 1 plus 2. Position of 4, 1 plus 3. Now 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, and 3 plus 3. So again, ठीक है, फोकस ऑन फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. आपको रो और कॉलम को छुपा देना है. कितना दिख रहा है आपको स्टूडेंट? आपको दिख रहा होगा 5, 1, 2, 6. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज द 3 के केस में आप देखिए, ठीक है, 2, 1, 1, 6. नेक्स्ट, ठीक है, आप देखिए 2, 5, 1, 2. नेक्स्ट, अगर जो इस 2 को देखेंगे, दिख रहा आपको सर 3, 4, 2, 6. नेक्स्ट 5 केस में देखेंगे आप, सेंटर दिख रहा आपको 2, 4, 1, 6. आपको उसके बाद 1 दिख रहा होगा, ठीक है, कौन सा 1 है ये? याला, ठीक है. देन 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, एंड सो ऑन. आप ये कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. नाउ solution, -1 whole power 1 plus 1 will be equal of 2. How we solve? 5, 1, 2, 6. A simple 5 multiplied by 6, that means 30 minus 2 1 ja 2. 30 minus 2 will be equal of 28. We taking positive sign due to -1 whole square. ठीक है, -1 whole cube. 2 6 12, 1, that means -11. -1 whole power 4. 2 2 ja 4 minus 5, that means -1. Next one, -1 whole power 2 plus 1 3. 3 6 18, 4 2 8, that means -10. Next, 2 plus 2 will be equal of 4. 6 2 12, minus 4 will be equal of 8. Then 2 plus 3, that means -1 power 5. 2 2 4, 3 1 3, so -1. Next one, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 3, taking the homework of you. Now student, finally, that is the approach to determine cofactor of matrices when the matrices in the 2 by 2, when the matrices in the form of the 3 by 3. That is the approach to find the cofactor. Student, now we are taking adjoint. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया है, A इनवर्स विल बी इक्वल ऑफ एडजॉइंट A बाय mod A. May be right, like a small a. A inverse will be equal of adjoint A by mod A, and adjoint, that means a transpose of cofactors. So जैसा कि आपको दिख रहा होगा, A इनवर्स के लिए मुझे एडजॉइंट बाय मोड ए करना है और एडजॉइंट के लिए मुझे कोफैक्टर निकालना. तो सबसे पहले हमने इस वीडियो लेक्चर में कोफैक्टर देखे. जैसे हमको कोफैक्टर आ जाएंगे, उसको हम ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे तो उसको क्या बोला जाता है? एडजॉइंट. और एडजॉइंट को मोड से डिवाइड कर देंगे तो उसको हम बोलेंगे ए इनवर्स. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखिए, मैं एडजॉइंट के लिए आपको बता रहा हूँ. एडजॉइंट ऑफ 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स. नाउ we taking the another example. Let we consider matrices A will be equal of 3 2 1 4. Now we have to find out adjoint. Firstly, Firstly, a convert into determinants from 3 to 1 4. ठीक है, may be can be written in the form of the mod a. Now cofactor of 3 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1, the opposite of number 3 will be equal of 4. The cofactor of 2 will be equal minus 1, 1 plus 2 first row second column, in the front of 2 will be equal of 1. The cofactor of 1, that means minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1, the front of 1 will be equal of 2, and last one, the cofactor of 4 will be equal of minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2, and the number will be 3. Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1, that means a positive 4, negative 1, negative 2, and finally positive 3. Now in the rough, in the case of the rough, that means cofactor, just take the cofactor of 3, the cofactor of 3 is 4, the cofactor of 2 will be equal of minus 1, cofactor of 1 that means minus 2, and cofactor of 4 is 3. Now ठीक है, हाउ वी डिटरमाइंड एडजॉइंट, स्टूडेंट बड़े ध्यान से देखेंगे, ठीक है, एडजॉइंट ए विल बी इक्वल, ठीक है, सभी को आप मैट्रिसेस फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं, जब आप मोड निकालते हैं तब आपको उसको डिटरमिनेंट्स में लिखना है, ध्यान से देखेंगे. इन द केस ऑफ द एडजॉइंट ए, रो कन्वर्ट इनटू कॉलम, ट्रांसपोज रो कन्वर्ट इनटू कॉलम या कॉलम कन्वर्ट इनटू रो, डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. तो रो कन्वर्ट इनटू कॉलम, दैट मीन्स 4 and minus 1 and minus 2 and 3. First row convert into first column and second row convert into second column. I hope student you getting the proper solution of this question. इस क्वेश्चन में हमने सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या देखा है, एडजॉइंट निकालना. एडजॉइंट के लिए कोफैक्टर का आना बहुत जरूरी है, और जैसे हम कोफैक्टर से निकाल लेंगे तो उसको हम क्या कर देंगे, ट्रांसपोज. स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडेज, फाइंड ए इनवर्स if a equal to 4, 3, minus 2 and 1. In the case of the A inverse, we have the two types of method, by use of the adjoint method and by use of the row elementary method. Now we taking the rule of adjoint. ध्यान से देखेंगे, A inverse will be equal of adjoint A by mod A. Adjoint A will by mod A. ठीक है, एडजॉइंट के लिए सबसे पहले हम स्टेप नंबर 1 फॉलो करेंगे कोफैक्टर्स को. कोफैक्टर आने के बाद वो जो मिल रहा है उसको करेंगे ट्रांसफॉर्म, तो हमको मिल जाएगा, क्या मिल जाएगा, एडजॉइंट. समझ आ रहा है स्टूडेंट? ठीक है, तीसरे नंबर पर हम निकालेंगे मोड, और फिर एडजॉइंट और मोड को हम क्या कर देंगे सर, हम इनको डिवाइड कर देंगे, तो फाइनली आंसर विल बी इक्वल ऑफ ए इनवर्स. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं हमको सबसे पहले कोफैक्टर निकालने पड़ेंगे, फिर उसके बाद हम कोफैक्टर को ट्रांसफॉर्म करेंगे, उसको हम एडजॉइंट बोलेंगे, फिर हम मोड निकालेंगे, और जैसे ही रेशो निकालेंगे तो हो जाएगा ए इनवर्स. नाउ सॉल्यूशन, इजी सॉल्यूशन इज देयर. ठीक है, ए इक्वल टू 4, 3, minus 2, 1. कोफैक्टर्स, हेडिंग डाला मैंने, कोफैक्टर्स. ठीक है, फर्स्ट कोफैक्टर ऑफ 4, देन कोफैक्टर ऑफ 3, देन कोफैक्टर ऑफ -2, देन कोफैक्टर ऑफ 1. Student, what is the position of 4? First row, first column, that means 1 plus 1. First row, second column, second row, first column, and second row, second column. I hope student you getting the proper mean. First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, and second row, second column. Now, focus on 4. What is value 1? In the case of 3, we getting -2. In the case of -2, we getting 3, but in the case of 1 we getting 4. So -1 whole power 2, that means a positive. So positive 1, there is the negative, again negative will be equal of positive, there is the negative, so -3, and finally plus 4. ठीक है. In the rough, in the case of the rough, may be written as, maybe 4 will be equivalent of 1 3, in the case cofactor 2 -2 -3, and 1 will be equal of 4. So there is the step number first, cofactor. Now we taking adjoint A. How we calculate adjoint A? The transpose of cofactor are known as adjoint. That means row will be transforming in the form of column. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That is an important part of question which known as adjoint, my dear student, adjoint. Now we taking mode. How we calculate the mode? There is the step number first, there is the step number second. Now we taking another step, mode. A will be convert into the form of the determinants. So 4 3 -2 and 1. Mode A, how we calculate the mode A? These multiply by these, so 4 into 1, and these multiply by these, -2 into 3, and in between we taking the negative symbol. These into this, minus these into this. 4 1 ja 4, minus plus 2 3 ja 6, and 6 and 4 will be equal of 10. Okay, there is the step number 3. Here is step number first, here is step number second, here is step number third. Now finally A inverse will be equal of adjoint A by mode A. Adjoint A, that means adjoint A will be equal 1 -3 2, 4, and mode. How we calculate the mode? Mode will be equal of 10. May be write in the form 1 by 10, 1 -3 2 and 4. This is a final solution to find out A inverse for the 2 by 2 matrix. I hope student you getting the proper solution. Tomorrow we will discuss about the 3 by 3. Similarly 3 by 3, then we getting, उसके बाद हम करेंगे इक्वेशंस के फॉर्म में, और उसके बाद ए इनवर्स निकालेंगे बाय यूज ऑफ द रो एलिमेंट्री मेथड. आई होप स्टूडेंट यू एंजॉय टुडेज लेक्चर और काफ़ी अच्छा सीखा होगा. ठीक है, शांतिपनी हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल राजुदा. थैंक यू सो मच.